Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel. So today we will continue with the same chapter, and that is string handling, and we will discuss few more string operations. So let's start. So first method is indexOf. So what is the use of indexOf? indexOf returns the index of first occurrence of the specified character. It returns the index of first occurrence of specified character in a string. So as the name indicates, it returns index. Okay, index of what? Index of a particular character which we will specify here. Fine. And it returns the first occurrence. Okay, I am showing with example. For example, there is a string str. I am taking a string information. Right? So this is a string information. Now, if I write str dot index of, sorry, I will be small, index of, and which character I am choosing here? O, right? So it will return index of which character? O, but O, if you can see in a string, we have repeated twice, here as well as here. Fine. So it will return index of which character? It will return index of first occurrence of character, this one. Fine. And what is the index of this? If you see, index starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So what is the index of this first character? O, 3. So it will return 3. So it should be assigned in int. Fine. So int in, I am taking int in equals to str dot index of O. So indexOf accepts the character as an argument and returns its index, which will be of int type. And when I display in sopln in, then it should display what? 3. 3 will be returned. Fine. So this is first method, indexOf. I hope it is clear. Now the next is lastIndexOf. lastIndexOf. So as the name indicates, it returns the index of last occurrence of specified character in a string. Returns the index of last occurrence of specified character. Right? In a string. So again, if I take string str, same string I am taking information, right? And I am writing here str dot last index of, you need to give the character, suppose I am giving now n. Fine. So n is also repeated twice. So which n index will be returned? lastIndexOf. lastIndexOf will return index of last occurrence of specified character. So this is the last occurrence, right? So what is the index of this character? If it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So 10 is the character index, and we will assign again int in, right? And when I display system.out.print in, so it should return what? It should return 10. Fine. So this is the difference between index and lastIndexOf. Now we will see the next one, toLowerCase and toUpperCase. So now the next is toLowerCase. To lowercase method returns, or you can say convert this method converts each character of a given string into lowercase. For example, if I give string str and the string I am taking in uppercase, hello world, right? And if I write str dot to lowercase, and I am assigning in another string s1. So if I display system.out.println s1, what should be returned? Same string in lowercase, hello world with space. And if any special character is there, so it will remain unchanged. Fine. Same way to uppercase. So uppercase will convert each character of a given string into the uppercase. For example, if I take string str, now I am taking in lowercase hello world. So it will be converted into uppercase. str dot to uppercase without space, okay, to uppercase and again I am assigning in another string s1, and now if I display s1, what should be displayed? The same string in uppercase, hello world. I hope it is clear. Very simple it is. Fine. Now the next is concat and substring. Now the next is concat function. Concat function will join or concatenates two strings. Fine. Like string s1, if I have given here say string s2 with one space I am writing here, so that after concatenation there should be one space. So here I have given one space, and second string is earth. And if I write s1 dot concat s2, so again it will return a string which we will assign in another ss. Fine. And when I display system.out.print ss, what should be displayed? Save earth. So two string will be concatenated, will be joined, right? And the last is substring. Next function is substring. Now substring will return, changing the marker. Substring will return new string that will be substring or part of given string. So it will return substring from the given string or part of the given string. For example, string str. Here I am taking a string, let it be boys and girls. Fine. So this is a string, I want its subpart. So I will use substring for that. In substring, if we pass only one argument, that is the start index, In substring, if you are passing one argument, so that will be only start index. For example, str dot substring. Here I am writing. So index start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Up to 13 it is. So here I am passing 5. Only 5. So this is the starting index, right? So what it will be, what it returns? It will return the substring starts from the 5th position. So what is the which character is on 5th position? A. So it will start from here till end, right? So when I assign into another string str s1, and if I display s1, what should be displayed? It will start from the index. This is the starting index 5. So it will start from A till end, and space girls will be returned. This will be returned. Fine. From the starting index till the end. But if I pass the 2 argument, then in that case, if I say string s2 equals to str dot substring, and I am giving here 5, 8. So 5 will be starting index and 8 will be end index. कहाँ से कहाँ तक चाहिए तुम्हें? 5 से 8 तक. तो what will be returned? So it will again start with, चलिए I am displaying here. If I display s2, so what will be displayed? So again it will start with 5 only. So 5, 6 कहाँ तक होगा? It will start with start index 5 and extends up to end index -1. 8 तक नहीं होगा, 7 तक होगा. It will always extend up to end index, जो भी end index था, -1, 5 to 7. Fine. So whenever you give the end index, so it will again, it will always deduct 1 from the end index and returns the string. So what will be returned here? 5, 6, 7. So answer will be end only. So now we will see few programs based on the string operations which we have just done. These one, index of last index and so on. So first program is write a program to enter a string in uppercase and display the new string after removing all vowels from it. So you need to input a string and then what should be output? Output should be a string after removing all vowels. For example, if the input string is 7 wonders, so what should be output? Output will be after removing vowels. S will be there, V, N, W, O is a vowel, so we will leave that, N, D, again E is vowel, we will leave that, R, S. So this should be output, right? So whatever the string is there, after removing its vowels, the output should be displayed. Import. Why import? Because we need to input a string. Import java.util.asterisk, or you can take scanner also. Class. What should be given? Let it be string 6. Then public static void main string args. Fine. Now we will create scanner object. Scanner obj equals to new scanner system dot in. Now we will declare the variable. So variable, one string will be there, string str, which we will input, and one more string will be there which we will assign with blank. One L for string length will be needed. So let's see. So first we will give a method, message system.out.println, enter a string. Enter string in uppercase, because it is given in the question that you need to enter a string in uppercase, right? So we have given enter string in uppercase, then str equals to obj dot next line. Fine. So we have input the string. Now, although we have given the message enter string in uppercase, but still if somebody give the string in lowercase, then in that case we should be use the function toUpperCase. So whatever the string, whether in lowercase or uppercase, it should be converted into uppercase. So I am using here toUpperCase, str dot toUpperCase. So it will convert the string into uppercase, and this will be assigned in another string. On the same string we can use str, right? So str equals to str dot toUpperCase. Fine. Now we will find out the length. So L equals to str dot length. S is small everywhere. Fine. S is small. Str we have taken small. So str dot length. So L, we have got the length of string. Now we will use the for loop. For int I equals to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. What we will do, we will check each and every character again. So to check each and every character, we will use which function? Caret. So I will use str dot char at, and I will pass here I to check each and every character, and it will return character only. So I will assign in a variable of cat type, that is ch I am taking here, right? Now we will apply the condition. If ch, क्या कर रहे हैं हम ch को चेक कर रहे हैं, अगर वो वॉवेल नहीं है, AEIOU नहीं है, तो क्या करें, उसको एक न्यू स्ट्रिंग में कॉन्कैटिनेट करता जाए. सेम मीनिंग हुआ. फाइन. अगर वॉवल नहीं है, दीज आर नॉट वॉवल, तो इनको कॉन्कैटिनेट करके वी विल असाइन इनटू अनदर स्ट्रिंग. विच स्ट्रिंग? S1. सो इफ CH नॉट इक्वल्स टू कैपिटल A और CH नॉट इक्वल्स टू capital E. Why we are taking capitals only? Because our string is in uppercase. CH not equals to capital E or CH not equals to capital O. I we have left. चलिए I. CH not equals to capital I, A E I O, and then the last is U. CH not equals to U. Right? If CH AEIOU नहीं है, तो उस केस में क्या करें, S1 में इसमें कॉन्कैटिनेट कर दे CH को. राइट? तो CH will be concatenated into S1. So, and then we will display, we will close the for loop, and after the for loop, we will simply display SOPLN. I am taking here. You will write system.out.println. New string or the concatenating string, new string, or you can write the concatenating string equals to plus S1, and then main close, class close. Right? I hope it is. Now we will see the last program, and that is write a program to accept a name and display the initials along with the surname. For example, if the name is Shlok Kumar Sharma, Shlok Kumar Sharma, let it be any name, then the output should be S.K.Sharma. If you remember, in the last video we have made one similar program, and that was I gave you one example. India is my country, and we need to we displayed I.M.C, first character of each word concatenated with dot sign. So it's quite similar, except that in this we have displayed the surname completely, not S dot. So we have displayed the Sharma as it is, but Shlok Kumar we have displayed, we have used this, we will use the same logic, S dot K dot. Fine. So what we will do here, we can divide this string into two parts. So first we will retrieve this Sharma. How can you retrieve this Sharma from the string? By using the function substring, right? So which logic we will apply? We will pass the index. Which index? Starting index, this blank space. So we will pass the starting index of this blank space, and we will use the substring function so that we can retrieve the Sharma. And in this half we will apply the same logic. First we will add the blank space at the beginning, and we will use if character is blank here and here, then the next to the blank character should be retrieved. Next character क्या है आपका S, and it should be concatenated with dot. Fine. So first we will add the blank space, then we will retrieve this Sharma by using the substring function, and then the same logic we will apply here to retrieve the character next to the blank space, and dot will be concatenated. Chaliye, let's start. So this I have already written: import class, main function, scanner, variables which we will take, enter name along with surname. Fine. So surname should be must there. So str equals to obj.next line, we have input the string. Now first we will add the blank space at the beginning. How will I add? Str equals to blank plus str. So blank space is added. Now we want the index of this blank space. So blank space is at three places, 1, 2 and 3, and I want the index of this. So which function shall I use here? lastIndexOf. It will return the index of last occurrence of the specified character, right? So P, I have taken one variable for index. So P will be str dot last index of. Specified character will be blank space, right? So what will be assigned in P? Index or position of this blank character. ये हमें मिला. The next step will be use the substring. Substring में क्या पास करेंगे? We will pass this index only, and that will be our starting index, right? So again I will use str dot substring, and what shall I pass here? Starting index क्या होगा? P, यहाँ से लेके end तक, and that will return string only. So I will assign, I have taken already S1. In S1 I have assigned Sharma. ठीक है? Now we will apply the logic on this Shlok Kumar. So I will use for int I equals to 0. कहाँ तक चलना चाहिए? L लेंथ निकालने का जरूरत नहीं है. P we have already, इतना ही चाहिए हमें. तो 0 से P, I less than P, I plus plus. ठीक. Now we need to check each and every character from Shlok Kumar, and if space is there, then we will apply the logic. So to check or to get every character, we will use which function? Again, main string is our str. So str dot char at I. We will pass, it will go from 0 to P, less than P. Okay? And then we will assign in CH, right? So in CH again we will check. क्या check करना है हमें? If CH equals to blank. Okay, I am writing at the top. Here I am writing. If CH equals to blank. If CH equals to blank, in that case S2, another string S2 में concatenate हो जाए. What? S2 plus main string str dot char at I नहीं पास करना, blank है तो I से next one, I plus 1, right? S2 equals to S2 plus str, S is small here, str डॉट कैरेट आई प्लस वन. इफ अगर हमें ब्लैंक फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे मिला 0 तो हमें क्या चाहिए 1 पोजीशन, ठीक है, s चाहिए. तो str डॉट कैरेट दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव पास्ड i प्लस 1. दिस इज i प्लस 1 प्लस और क्या ऐड करना है उसमें, s मिल जाए और उसके साथ कॉन्कैटिनेट हो जाए डॉट. सो आई विल कॉन्कैटिनेट डॉट हियर. So S2 equals to S2 plus str dot caret I plus 1 plus dot, right? Then for loop will be closed. Now we need to concatenate both S1 and S2 and we will assign in another string S1. So S1 को भी initialize कर दें with blank string. S1 equals to initialize with blank string. So Sn will be Sn equals to, first the S2 will come. In S2 S dot K dot is there. So S2 plus S1, right? S1 में क्या है, S1 में we have assigned the surname, right? S1 here and S2 में S dot K dot and then we will display SOPLN. I have taken new string equals to Sn. Main close, class close. So we have used in last index of substring, caret, and this is the caret only. So I hope you have understood this. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.